How to fix Xbox app error code 0x80131501 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, this error code, the first workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings, and here from the left side go to Windows Update and install latest operating system updates if any available. Click on check for updates, and if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of error code appear on your system. The second workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search and here type store troubleshooter and find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on open. Here Windows Store apps troubleshooter page will open. Here click on apply repairs automatically and choose next, and let the window complete the Microsoft Store troubleshoot and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again launch Windows settings, press Win plus I shortcut key, and here from the left side go to system settings, thereafter go to right side and look for troubleshoot, click on it and other troubleshooters and run the Windows Update troubleshooters. So both the troubleshooters should be run. The first one is a Microsoft Store troubleshooter and Windows Update troubleshooters. The next workaround is press Win plus R shortcut key to launch Run dialog box, and in Run dialog box type wsreact.exe to clear Microsoft Store caches and press OK. It will clear Microsoft Store caches on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search, type cmd and run the command prompt Windows as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute DISM tool first, DISM scan health, DISM check health and DISM restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time, and after DISM tool successfully execution, execute sfc/scan now command. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. So execute DISM tool and sfc scan now tool to scan your system. The next one is again launch Windows settings, right click, choose settings, and here from the left side go to apps, thereafter go to right side and choose installed apps. All the installed apps in your system will visible here. Here look for store and click on three horizontal dot against the store and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and under reset, if this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app data would not be affected. First choose repair, and if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. So first choose repair and check whether your error code resolved or not. If not, go to the reset option and click on reset. Reset Microsoft Store app. Wait for some times, it will take few seconds, and after that check your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again right click on start button and choose run command box. Run command box will open. Here execute the command services.msc and click on OK button. Services windows will open now. Here look for Microsoft Store installer Microsoft Store install service. Right click on it and choose Restart. Apply double click on it to open its property and set a startup type as automatic. Also restart gaming services on this page.